Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I showed you the modification I did for the handlebar on the Royal Enfield Continental GT 535. Now here I am at a friend's place. This is not my studio and I don't play the keyboard. So now that we in Pondicherry have a bit of leeway and we are allowed to move around a bit, I was able to go out and ride the bike for a while. I shot this last evening. I was able to shoot a few videos to show you the riding position. So I'll start by showing you the overhead view where I put the camera on the helmet and I'm weaving through traffic here in Pondicherry. So here it goes. So I hope that gave you an idea of how the bike handles, especially the main difference being that earlier you were stuck in this position where your elbows are tucked in, and now you have a much more open position so that you can move your elbows, you can turn the handlebar, makes things so much easier, right? So the second clip I have is where the GoPro is actually mounted on the handlebar. So this gives you an idea of again the riding posture as well as how your body is positioned on the bike with the new handlebar. And also you get to see a bit how it's easier to maneuver on the curves compared to the original Cafe Racer handlebar that the GT had. So here it goes. So in conclusion, I hope this short video gave you an idea about how this handlebar takes the load off the wrists, the shoulders and the lower back, and also makes it easier to handle and maneuver the bike, especially since this is a heavy bike. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more content on the road ahead with AJ. Until then, dream on, ride on, and helmet always on.